Hello, guys. Hello, beauties. How are you guys doing?
We've been good.
Been really good.
Good?
Guys, yeah. How are you? How are you, Griha?
I I'm
We've
good. I'm
time
good, Seba.
time now and finally.
Finally, it is happening. I know. I know. हम काफी दिनों से कोशिश कर रहे थे कि भाई एक लाइव में सहबान के साथ तो कर ही लूं. फिर मुझे लगा जब शो खत्म हो गया है तो I requested him कि please ask Reem also if she'd be kind enough to join the conversation. And you are here, so thank you so much for doing this, Reem, at such a short notice. But thank you so much.
Yeah, okay, all right. So, before you guys joined, there were all your fans who have joined in such large numbers. They were like, Kalma kahan hai? Sehreem kahan hai? First of all, such beautiful names that they have for your characters and both of you guys together. What do you have to say? Address your fans first before we start talking.
Oh God.
There's a lot to talk about with our fans, and we can start with thanking them for being with us all through, and being through with us all these 3 years, and of course we're taking this legacy ahead now because the show is over, and they've been there with us, and one of the reasons we've been coming online is because of them, and yeah, I don't think we have to talk anything. We have left to tell anything to anyone apart from the fans because I know they deserve us, and somehow we also deserve them. So it's for them, and it's for the team. It's for the Kalma fans, especially this live.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really beautiful and very beautifully put. So, cheers to Tujhse Hai Rabta. And
Yeah.
of course, it's been a brilliant, brilliant show. Cheers to that.
Just for that.
The fact that we can actually now go back to thinking about what all has passed in these 3 years. Let's actually begin with talking with the two of you. Your first impressions of the two, both of you, और किस तरह से वो बदला over the years when you started working with each other. What was it like? How has that changed?
I said it a lot of times that I thought he's the writer of the show, and I didn't know that he's the hero of our show. Because I was not introduced to him before, and initially हम दोनों साथ में इतना shoot नहीं करते थे. हमारे scenes अलग-अलग होते थे, and he was not even there in the first 3 episodes of the fair.
Yeah. I was actually introduced in the 7th episode, right?
Yeah.
7th.
So ज्यादा इंटरेक्शन तब हुआ नहीं था और मैं सेट पे सबसे घुल मिल गई थी एंड he came on set after so many days और हम सब already दोस्त बन चुके थे, so he was pretty lost, and because he was so lost I thought that he is the kind of person who would be very reserved, who doesn't like talking much or who would not indulge with us so much. But yeah, that has changed. He is the reason that 3 साल से हम जो सब एक साथ है, हम एक साथ रहे हैं. It's because of him that we've always been together, all of us, everybody on set. But शुरुआत में when I met him, I thought he is that reserved person who doesn't like talking much, so we probably would never become friends.
So अब वो बदल गया है. Like he is not as reserved as you thought, or is he the same?
Honestly, for me, it takes time to get acquainted with the people. I take my own time. I'm too slow for things, and slow becoming friends and real friends with people. But once I am there, I'm always there. It's like no turning back for me. Also, when I started the show, I was introduced in the 7th episode. Before this, I was shooting alone. My scenes were alone, not with the family. And when I first saw Reem, I was confused that will she be romance with me because I thought she was too young to understand romance and the nitty-gritty of romance, which of course failed me. And and it turned out to be really good. And then Kalma happened because of that.
Yeah.
And you guys, all the fans, thank you to you guys. You guys happened because of our hard work, and thank you for being there. Also, I believe that it was my show, so I thought it has to be my family, and I had a problem. I always have a problem. We have a problem with each other, address it and fix it. That's how family works. Like, have a problem, don't run away from it, don't hide it, or don't bitch about it, or don't do gossip about it. Just keep in the loop with each other, stay in the loop with each other, and talk about it and clear it out. That's what I made sure that happens on my set, on our set, on our team.
Yeah.
And thankfully we went through nicely, and we were able to go through everything, and now we are here family, and we meet often. It's not just me and Reem, it's the entire family.
Yeah,
it's
that
it's
meets often,
Purva,
yeah.
Rajat, me, Savita ma'am, everyone, all of us.
All of us.
We are a
Right.
family now.
Right. तो तुझसे राब्ता की बातें तो हम करेंगे, but we will also talk about something else that you guys have not been talking about, because I know you've given a lot of interviews, especially after the show got over and all. You are going on saying the same things because it's the same questions asked. What else can one do? लेकिन हम थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट करते हैं. सबसे पहले तो one thing that really I really sort of one thing that really is a catch for me are your names. I'm not just talking about Kalma. Since we began talking about Kalma, it's also Sehban and Reem. What do your names mean? Such beautiful names you guys have.
Yeah, we both have really unique names, like really unique names.
Yeah.
Reem is actually an Arabic name. My dad used to study in Muscat, so उनको वहाँ. So it means a white gazelle. A gazelle is a part of a deer family, and a white gazelle is very rare. Like, it's not to be found, just anywhere. Yeah. So
but if you're a gazelle, you'll can understand that gazelle keep jumping, hopping, and keep running from here and there.
Yeah, that's exactly how I am.
True to your name, yes. One should be true to their name. And Sehban, what does Sehban mean?
Yeah, she's a crazy ball. That's what I call her. She's a crazy ball, jumping here and there all over with a lot of energy all the time.
Even on sets, I would never sit at one place. I would just keep roaming around here and there. Iske makeup room mein, uske makeup room mein. No one would ever find me in my own makeup room. I would just be somewhere else all the time.
और Sehban का क्या मतलब
हुआ? Sehban. Okay, I'll start with the story where how I got this name first. So Sehban Wail was a famous orator, during the times of Prophet. So he was famous for his words. Like, he used to stand and give speeches for like 2 days at a stretch and never used to repeat his word. He was so eloquent with his voice, with his words. So Sehban Wail was a guy like that, and my maternal grandfather, for his poetry, was awarded in for Sehban, as in Sehban, Hind ka Sehban, for his poetry under his name. So he named me as Sehban, but Sehban in literal terms means something as believed, something which can take you really powerful, or any tide or something really powerful and strength.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. That's what
it. Wow. All right, that's a good start. That's a good start. Now, when I mentioned what happened when you guys met each other for the first time, first impressions, I've also obviously see you guys do a lot of interviews. में रेम ने एक चीज बोली कि हमें लोगों के न्यू कमर्स को स्टॉक करने में बहुत मजा आता था. तो रेम, especially for you, जब you were stalking articles with vis-a-vis Sehban, what is that one crazy article that you came across? जिसका clickbait होती है ना, headlines. ऐसी कोई article that you came across which had to do with Sehban?
There must be a lot of controversial ones which I don't know.
Honestly, I don't know, but the set pe jitni ladkiyan hai, they were so attracted towards him that not just me or Purva Di, who were eager to find out that who is this guy and where does he come from and all that. People were coming and asking us that कि अच्छा सुनो ना, मैंने उनका सुना था, वो सच है क्या? It was not just us who were trying to find out कि क्या है Google पे, Instagram पे, Twitter पे. There were people from set, like the dress didis and all that. They would also come and ask us that अच्छा मैंने ना Sehban sir के बारे में ऐसा सुना था, ये सच है क्या? सच में क्या वो सिंगल नहीं है क्या? ऐसी बातें आके लोग हमसे पूछते थे. So yeah, for the longest time that we thought that he's not single, but later on when we became friends, all of us, we got to know that he is.
Did you ever, I mean, considering you, and I've also been told that you were called what? Reem Ji Mahan. Reem Ji Mahan ने जाके पूछा नहीं Sehban से outright, भाई ऐसा है कि this is what the pets.
नहीं, थोड़ी सी शर्म थी, थोड़ा लिहाज करना था एक दूसरे का. मतलब नहीं, बहुत शुरुआत की बात कर रही हूँ.
They wanted to know, I'm sure, but they never asked me. They were very polite with me and they were very nice to me, both of them, Purva and Reem. And of course, the question came out later once we became friends, and I cleared it out. But some mystery which carries along, which lingers along, and I think I let it be. I like it something like that.
So, you guys seen each other's work before working with one another. कोई भी show आप एक दूसरे का देखा है आपने? नहीं देखा.
But I sometimes think
First of all, you were born जब दिल मिल गए आई होगी, हाँ रीन? Is it
I've
safe
never-
to say that?
I don't know. I don't even
Yeah,
remember.
of course you were born. I was just joking.
were you born then?
No.
मजाक कर रही थी.
Yeah, but I remember I remember the show called Na Bole Na ऐसा कुछ. What was that show? Na Bole Tum Na Humne Na Maine Kuch. Na Bole Tum Na Maine Kuch Kaha. I think I have not like literally followed the show, but like here and there watching and you know, just switching the channels. I think I might have seen her. That's what I think because she was there in the show.
Okay.
I used
Yeah.
Okay.
just didn't really have the time, or even if I did, I would always watch movies.
Yeah.
So
But then I have seen a lot of ads which Reem did way back. Shampoo ads because one of my friends' company was doing it.
Yeah.
Clinic
Clinic Plus.
Clinic Plus. Yeah. So that is where I've seen her before. If when I think of it, like if I've seen her on screen before or not, of course I have. It's just that I didn't know that this was Reem.
So I'm sure you obviously could not recognize her when you must have seen even like a sliver of her as Parvati in Ashoka. Did you recognize her? अगर ये दिखाएगी भी तभी you would not be able to recognize her ना.
No
Yes,
one
I
is there
saw.
to believe me. That's me.
Yeah, she made sure that she made sure that we see all of it,
Yeah.
whatever she's done. She made because she wanted to prove that she's senior than all of us. Just
How
before
much like you must she's been working to senior ही हुई है.
working way before I started, so she is my senior somewhere.
Yeah.
That's why Mahan because Reemji Mahan knows everything about everything.
Yeah. True that.
Yeah.
So
That
I'm
includes
hoping both Reemji Mahan and Sehban are also a little truthful because I have got this little segment, okay, where I want you to spill some beans on my show. I like to call it sip and spill. I will tell you these instances. You take a sip. आपकी जिंदगी में ये हुआ है, अगर आपने ये किया है, take a sip. Tell me the छोटी सी story behind it. Okay. So
समझे ना?
let's.
yeah.
Should
सच
ask.
बोलना है.
And if you've done it, then you take a sip, and then if you want to say कि वो story क्या थी कैसी थी तो बता
Okay.
दो.
Okay.
This is what happens on the sets also, na? Like she goes ahead and explains.
Yeah.
I feel older than him today.
समझ आया? मैं बताती हूँ.
Yeah, she does that.
Okay, so let's begin. Take a sip. If you remember the first time ever that both of you faced the camera, the first time. Okay, Reem goes first. She's taken the first sip.
I was given an audition again for a shampoo, and I remember my dad prepared me बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि कैसे करते हैं क्या करते हैं, and I just went there and all I knew was that जो भी हो मुस्कुरा के करना, irrespective of whatever you have to do मुस्कुरा के करना. That's what I was told. तो फिर वो ऐसे कुछ तो था that someone is giving me chumpy and I just have to smile. So yeah, it was kind of weird, but like now if I look at it, because I still have that clip, I laugh at myself because मुझे बोला यही था कि जो भी हंस के करना. I was an introvert बचपन से, तो मैं किसी से मुस्कुरा के बात नहीं करती थी, ज्यादा बात नहीं करती थी. So my dad literally had to tell me that मुस्कुरा के करना. You smile at people, it's good manners. So yeah, that's what it was.
Okay, and Sehban?
My first audition started when I came to Bombay, and it was Colgate audition. And a friend of mine, Preeti Gupta, was going for the audition, and she said, "Why don't you come along?" I said, "I don't know. Do they need guys?" She said, "Yeah, of course they do. You come along, and I'll speak to the coordinator or the manager, and you can give the audition and just experience it how it is." I said, "Okay, let's go." And then I saw the script. It was hardly anything. I had to say a few lines and smile. The whole through I had to smile, and I started. Everybody told me when I started getting into acting, or everybody told me your USP is smile, Sevan. It's your USP. Okay, so always learn where and when, how and how to smile. Okay, all right. So then he said action roll, and I couldn't smile at all. I said the line, I couldn't smile. It was so awkward, and I'm like, what is happening with me? So, but okay, I have to get through this. The whole fear of the camera. That was the first realization after the audition. But honestly, I tried the audition thrice. I couldn't smile properly. That was the most difficult part.
Okay,
and
take my cue from that. Take a sip, and this one's for you, Seban. Take a sip if you've been often compared or said that you resemble a lot to SRK, with Shah Rukh Khan.
I can finish full coffee on
Now,
this.
पहली बार कब बोला किसी ने ऑडिशन पे बोला?
नहीं, हर जगह बोला है. Everybody, everywhere. So I don't know, somewhere it keeps changing when I grow my hair, when I cut my hair, how my beard is. It keeps changing. Sometimes it becomes Shahid Kapoor, sometimes becomes Shah Rukh Khan. At times it's been Varun Dhawan also. So it's been Varun Dhawan also. And recently, this lady who stays in my building, says I look a lot like Sushant Singh Rajput. I don't know why. I think somewhere, and she's really hell bent on the fact. And
I think he looks like Vicky Kaushal. Don't you think so?
see,
Okay.
I don't. When
Yeah, now that you say that, हाँ यार. Yeah.
I just
yeah.
look like Sehban someday. I want to look like Sehban one day. I want someone to go to Shah Rukh Khan and say you look like Sehban, or you look like, or go to Shahid Kapoor or Vicky Kaushal and tell them you look like Sehban. That'll be probably.
Inshallah one day. But yeah, someone told me that आप अगर अपने कपड़े बदलते हो, अपना hair style बदलते हो, and if you have a different look every time, that's actually a good thing.
That's a very good. It's a very. It's not a very good thing when these people are already famous, and they're doing a good job already in their field. So it becomes difficult for people like me to be there,
So,
Yeah.
Reem, you tell me now. This one's for you, Reem. Take a sip if you have been compared with some other actor ever in an audition, or if somebody has compared you with someone else. Not. No resemblance whatsoever.
Genuinely not. No one has ever compared me to anyone. बोला है अच्छा किया बुरा किया, but किसी ने मुझे ये नहीं बोला था यार आपने उसकी तरह किया या फिर आपने उसकी तरह किया. But yeah, a lot of people have always compared me by looks to Divya Bharti. Even my mother, she just says that you look like Divya Bharti, and I don't know, maybe मेरी माँ को बहुत पसंद थी Divya Bharti, इसलिए वो हमेशा बोलती है.
Divya Bharti, I was a bacha at that time. Have you even seen any of the films?
What?
You haven't.
What?
Say what?
Have you seen Divya Bharti's films?
Yeah, I have. See, people think that I've not seen, Purani movies and all that, but I've seen a lot of old films like Ladla, Judai, and everything.
Ladla, Judai are not really old films.
Okay, but for me,
Seban, I was just going to say that. Ladla Judai are not very old, yeah. Even Divya Bharti.
it is not born like मेरा नामो निशान नहीं था वो फिल्मों के
When
बाद.
we talk about old films, we think about black and white films, right?
We think about Devanand and, yeah.
But maybe
कौन सी दिव्या भारती की फिल्म देखी है? Reem, which one?
this
Deewana.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Deewana.
Fully one cheese.
That was Shah Rukh Khan's first film. You know that?
The first to be released, actually.
Yeah. ठीक है. Okay, the next one. Take a sip. If there has been a time when both of you are supposed to be part of this very, very intense scene, and you could not help but laugh. You ended up laughing during a totally intense scene.
He laughed like every scene. Take a sip.
So all actors have really been pissed at one point of time from me because I have made everyone laugh.
So
Because
much.
once I start laughing, everybody starts laughing somehow, and I can't stop it. And then the directors get pissed because the entire set is laughing now, and it's a serious scene going on, and everybody's waiting for us to finish our laugh so that we can resume the shoot. But I can't stop it. If I'm laughing, I'm laughing. and I don't really care when I'm laughing. I had to laugh it out. You know it.
And it's
How much
happened
can you
so
control?
many times, like so many times.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's very, I mean, this is like, I'm sure you get this a lot, but I'm really curious to know because in a telly show where you're showing a romantic couple, you're supposed to be in this freeze frame, you know, because वो music डालते हैं और सब करते हैं, but वो behind the scenes, so you're just supposed to be looking like blankly at one another. You would feel like laughing, right? You, भाई, obviously प्यार romance तो नहीं आ रहा ना.
That's my point. You do end up laughing even in the serious emotional scenes sometimes because you have to hold the reaction or probably something weird is happening around and it's an entire set. I even for the matter of fact, Savita Prabhunin, she's a very senior
Very
actress.
serious
I
actress.
made her also laugh so many times.
ठीक है भाई, हंसता हुआ रहना चाहिए. Set should be always, you know, jovial.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Take a sip, jovial say. Take a sip if you've ever been asked or probably rejected a role purely on the basis of your looks, not being given a role because of your looks. Said that, you know, we can't cast you because you look a certain way, or you've had like a funny audition experience, like a nasty one or a funny one.
I was rejected for Rapta because I was chubby.
Really?
I was rejected the first 3 or 4 auditions of Rapta because I was chubby. Like I was one of the first lot of girls to, you know, audition for it, but then I was rejected. And, the casting girl was my friend Nazia, so I asked her that why. So she said that because you're looking chubby on screen. So this happened with me for like 3 times or 4 times. I was said that you look chubby.
And then they cast you back.
Yeah, then they casted someone else. He initially did his mock shoot with some other girl.
Yeah.
और तब तक ये लोग मुझे रिजेक्ट कर चुके थे. Obviously 4 बार लड़के आके गए फिर भी सिलेक्ट नहीं किया तो रिजेक्ट ही करेंगे ना. तो रिजेक्ट कर दिया था. फिर उसके बाद some problem happened with the girl that they had selected. So then the casting girl Nazia and Yakshi, you know, called me again because Yakshi somewhere said that you were rejected because of your looks, not because of your performance. So I would want to try her again. So then they called me again, and इस बात को 3 महीने हो चुके थे जब मैं reject हो चुकी थी. So these 3 months, because I was told so much that you look chubby, that I was like, okay, I'll lose weight now. And then I started working out. So 3 महीने बाद when I came, I was like a different person for them. You know, totally toned and nicely. I had cut my hair and all that.
Yeah.
उसके बाद से the journey began.
Okay. And not so for you, Sevan. You have not.
I don't remember it, but of course I got to know later about a lot of auditions that I had given, and they didn't cast me because of my color, and they wanted a fair-looking guy. So it's a problem I had faced initially when I came to this television industry. When I started working for TV industry, they always look for fair-looking guys for their main leads. So I have faced this problem during Bil Mil Gaya also the chance to you know, instruct that can we have with a fair looking makeup please, because we want fair, which I didn't allow, of course, because I look the way I am, and I hated the fact that race it's a way of racism actually, which I always.
I mean, had it happened in this time, people would have been up in arms because if everybody is talking about, you know, against a white skin fixation, especially here in the country, there's a lot of, like on screen where you're talking about fairness and everything. So yeah, this is like a big deal.
My initial during childhood also I faced it because I've grown up in Delhi and usually they're fair looking, and of course I faced that too. I was I was darker than this, but I am right now. I don't know why, but I used to be outside a lot, play with a lot of sun, and then I decided, okay, I'll fight through it and make sure that I'll be there without looking fair or without you know, being shammed of dark.
Okay, all right. Okay, since you mentioned Delhi, I'll talk about school days for the both of you. Take a sip if you have gone ahead, made a fool of yourself in trying to impress a girl or a boy in school or college. Like complete fool of yourself.
Yeah, even in my building friends.
I did a lot of myself, but I did something which was way ahead of my age. I remember that.
What did you do?
So I used to like this girl. I can't tell the name now. So I used to like, and she was seeing someone already. And so I went up to her and I told her that I really like her. But me saying I really like her doesn't mean that she should take a step around it or about it. It's just that I wanted to convey to her that I like her, and I don't want her to take any step. Right? Do not break up. I knew she was, giving me those looks, and that she wanted to talk to me also at the same time. She was confused, I'm sure, with her boyfriend and me at the same time. But I asked her to not even think about it. It's just that the school is getting over now, and we won't be here for 2 months for holidays. So before we go, I just want to convey this to you. And I left after saying that.
फिर कुछ हुआ उसका या नहीं हुआ?
we of course became friends after that.
Oh, all right. Not
But
bad.
then she called me when she was single, but then I wasn't then.
Not ready to mingle. Okay, all right. Take a sip. If you have written a love letter, since obviously there's some bit of a writer also in you, Seban, I'm sure you will take a sip for this. And Reem, you tell me, do you even, I mean, is that generation of love letters there in you? या फिर नहीं? वो सिर्फ texting और FaceTime है अभी. You have?
I've written half a book.
Wow, yeah, quite impressed. Very good.
I've not
Look at
written.
Seban. Slowly use it.
I've written like almost half a book. Like I don't know, but I like these gestures which are done by you. Like, see, writing something for someone is something that I am doing. Like, हाँ, text में I love you सब लोग ही लिख देते हैं. You know, FaceTime पे बातें या फिर चलते फिरते कुछ दिख गया तो उसके लिए गिफ्ट ले लिया, सब कर लेते हैं. But when you sit to write for someone is a gesture that you're doing it for them. And I love it when people do it for me. So मुझे उस बात की अहमियत शायद पता है, इसलिए I do it for the people that I love. Only. I can generally count the people that I've done this for on my fingers. Apart from that, I've never done it for anyone else.
And Seban, since you've slowly धीरे से शाहरुख खान की तरह सिप ले लिया आपने, तो बताओ.
हाँ, क्योंकि लेटर नहीं लिखा है, पोएट्री लिखी है.
Yeah, I knew this.
Yes, I have.
Wow. Ever painted for someone? Like painted like a portrait or something for someone?
No, I wasn't that good with portraits, but I've tried.
Romance. Okay. All right. This one's the last one. Now you guys have to tell me are you guys musical? Obviously, everybody loves, Bollywood songs and love songs. Your entire show is based on a famous, like named after a very famous and beautiful song. But like, do you guys sing? Like singing? Are you musical that way?
We hate singing because we can't sing both
sing
of us
properly.
to save our lives. But we love listening to music.
Yeah.
We can't.
But I do sing in the bathroom. Like, my mother is sick of me now.
Yeah. I do this.
Like,
but
while taking
thankfully
a
my
shower,
mother
I
is not
become
here.
this very filmy person and very confident about my singing, and I sing a lot. But I do wish to, learn how to sing. Like, I do wish.
Same, yeah.
So I'm sure the makeup room must. Sorry, you were saying something. Yeah.
But I love music so much. I love singing so much. As in, love listening to the song so much. I somewhere think in my past life I've really hurt somebody's sentiment who was a big singer or something. So I've got this curse that I can't sing in this life. I believe that for myself. That I've been cursed by someone who was very good with singing or music. That this life, Seban, you won't be able to sing or play any instrument or do music. Or you just can. You just can love it, listen to it, but can't do about it.
Well, you can definitely play it. So you tell me, what is the makeup room madness like when you guys were on the sets? वो गाने वाने बजते थे या it was like bland? If at all you come to someone's makeup room, what is that one quirky song which will play in Seban's makeup room and in Reem's makeup room? Which will be that one song?
Yeah, there were songs. Every season there were different songs.
Yeah.
Actually, after every 3 months there were different songs.
Yeah, different kind of songs.
Like Purva, we used to figure out that who's come with the music, the kind of music
that
we used
was-
to play.
Yeah. Then,
Yeah.
Yeah.
She could figure out from the other room that Reem has come or Seban has come or Rajat has come before. She could easily figure out with the kind of music we all play.
Okay. So
Yeah.
the top 3 songs on your playlist, the top 3 love songs on your playlist, Seban, and the top 3 on yours, Reem. Which ones are that?
I'm a big fan of Justine. So तीनों उसके होंगे. One is Nit Nit by her, then one is Sang Rahi Ho by her, and the third one I top songs that I'm listening to, like on loop. Genuinely मैं ये on loop सुन रही हूँ दो गाने. Yeah.
Which one's the third one? I lost you there. Which one's the third one?
Third one keeps changing, but these two songs like almost एक हफ्ते से तो ये तो चल रहे हैं on loop. Nitnit and the song by Jasleen, Sang Rahi Ho. Sang Rahi Ho. And I think the third one will be Kho Gaye Hum Kahan. That is also by Jasleen.
Yeah.
And big fan of Prateek also. So Dil Beparwa and एक प्रतीक का नया गाना है शहरों के राज. So, yeah.
Okay. Alright. And Seban, top 3 on yours.
The first one is actually, I think, Conrad by Ben Howard. And second is Human by Ragabone. Third one is, of course, she made me listen to it, and it's one of my favorite songs now.
Okay, I'm sure logo ka favorite song is Tujhse Hai Raabta. So before we go, we'll have you guys, we do an encore for your fans on Tujhse Hai Raabta so that they relive all the memories. I'll join in. Please sing for us. Tujhse Hai Raabta.
You have to start because you who start every time. Even off screen also.
Oh God, yeah, I've been actually.
So she was supposed to sing in while shooting.
Supposed to have
every time.
There
was
have
a
been
My music, we don't know.
I've sang the whole song.
Yeah, so she had to practice it, and now I think she's good by the end of it.
Chalo,
She can
Reem. Go
one
for
song.
it. Go for it.
कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया हर किसी के लिए. तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए. कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, क्यों है ये कैसे है ये तू बता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता. I think that's enough. इससे पहले की
Cheers, man. Thank you so much. You're a
Might gonna kill me
star.
after. Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, for doing this. This was lovely. I loved talking to both of you. Thank you so much for this.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. You take care, guys. Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.